and welcome to Worldviews coaching. Today I'm going to teach you a step-by-step method that I'm using to help my clients to achieve their dream career and find ultimately their life purpose. This method has been verified by many hundreds of people already through several years of practice. This method helped me at some point to find my life purpose, to find my calling, and to become certain and confident in following my path. And now I'm helping my clients to achieve exactly the same. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you this method so you can apply it to your own life and find your own strengths, talents, and find the direction of your life purpose. My name is Marina. I'm a certified meaningful career coach. I'm also a mentor and a spiritual guide for those people who are looking for a deeper meaning in their life. And I'm helping people to uncover their life purpose in this busyness and maybe even messiness of current life. A lot of people are feeling unfulfilled, they're feeling lost, they're feeling like there is no meaning, deeper meaning in their life, like everything is just basically a rat race and everything that they do is to trying to survive. And a lot of my clients currently are looking for support system and methodology to find much more deeper connection with themselves, find the deeper meaning in their life, find their life purpose, find their connection to the world, to the society, to the environment and the community that they're in. So they can feel that everything that they do in their life actually has the meaning, has direction, and they have a sense of control over their lives. So the method that I'm working with is called System of Human Potential. It consists of several stages, and today I'm going to explain to you briefly how can you use each of the stages to uncover your talents so that you can apply them to your own life. The System of Human Potential consists of several levels of understanding of our own profile and several levels of using our profile as well. So the first level is the level of our talents or our strengths. So these are the abilities that you possess from your birth and that you can develop yourself throughout your life to apply, first of all, of course, to your career, but also to the purpose in your life, purpose in the society. And the benefits that you can give to the society are actually hidden in your talents, in your strength. And here, the biggest advice I can give you is to look at your childhood. Preferably before 7-year-old, you can remember what did you like to do the best, what was coming to you very naturally, what kind of games you were interested to play, maybe what compliments did you get from parents or other authority figures. And this will guide you towards your strengths and talents that you need to develop in order to reach your life purpose and actually successful, happy and fulfilled life. The second level in the system talks about your fulfillment. Because with our life purpose, we actually spend our energy, we give something to the world, but we also need to receive the energy metaphorically and naturally from the world. So the level of our hobbies or fulfillment activities, this is something that gives you energy and gives you meaning and happiness without actually being part of your life purpose. So if you're spending the energy through your first level, through your talents and gifts, you receive the energy back by engaging in activities that are fulfilling for you. And here I advise for you to look at the hobbies, some type of activities that you like to do just for the sake of pure joy. Maybe it's a kind of creative hobby. Maybe, on contrary, it's a very mentally engaging and active hobby. For example, programming can also be a hobby for some people. Something like cleaning, something like organizing spaces, something like creating art, of course, music, that could be a hobby. And that can also be a career for some people. So look for some activities that fulfill you with energy without necessarily bringing you any financial success. And in my programs, I talk very much in detail why is it so important to have something on the side that you don't do for financial benefits. And finally, on our level 3, we have our weaknesses or maybe disadvantages. So these are activities, careers. This is something that we are not doing very well. So we are not very skilled at that. And also we are not experiencing any pleasure and joy doing those activities. So these are the types of careers that actually are very draining for you and are not bringing you any satisfaction nor financial rewards. So here I would advise you to look for some kind of careers activities, jobs that you really don't like doing, something that you feel forced to do actually on some level. And this is usually something that has been imposed on us in our early, maybe teenage, early adulthood, because we feel like we have to do that because we see some people very successfully doing it around us, but we're not necessarily very good at that. For example, a lot of people believe right now that everyone needs to be very successful at business, which is not necessarily true. Not every one of us is made to do business at any type of form or at any level. So for a lot of people, releasing that obligation, releasing that desire from their life actually brings a lot of energy and a lot of creativity, so they can actually follow their proper life purpose. Some of my clients have completely pivoted their careers. Some other clients actually accelerated their current careers even more because they found that their talents and their gifts are actually supporting the career that they have already chosen. One of my clients, being a very successful and great photographer, discovered a passion for programming. One of my other clients discovered that she didn't want to be a manager, she didn't want to manage people. So for her corporate career, becoming a manager was actually not a step up, it was a step down, because she really didn't enjoy managing people and she would rather prefer to have a career of a specialist. And that company did not really offer career ladders horizontally, only vertically. So for her, the best choice would actually to leave to a different company. A third example of a case of my client was that I had a lady who was a designer of dresses, and she really did not enjoy the business aspect of that. She did not enjoy marketing or sales, and she found out that actually for her the best case would be to hire an assistant or team up with someone where she would solely do the design and she would not need to be her own manager, marketer, and salesperson. So depending on the combination of your skills, of your talents, you can choose to pivot your career or to accelerate something that you already have at this moment. This method has been verified by thousands of people at this point through years of practicing, not only by me, but by other specialists that I know are also certified in the system of human potential. And we can say that this method is very famous for its certainty, because the information that we take to identify your profile actually comes from you. We do have a very special methodology. How do we ask you certain questions in a questionnaire? And depending on how you answer those questions, which values you are transpiring, which maybe keywords you're sharing with us, we know what kind of talent it showcases through your language. Also, sometimes we can see, looking at the blockages people have, maybe their fears, their challenges, their life lessons. We also have an indication of a talent that the person might have. So everything that you have in your life is holistically pointing you towards your life purpose. You just need to really know where to look. And this is my job as your consultant, as your coach, to highlight to you your strengths through different questions that I will be pointing at you, and you will be able to see that yourself very clearly. So there are usually absolutely no doubts when you tell the person their profile. They just really know it immediately. This method is also based on a psychological model, so it does have research underlying the method itself. So it is also naturally allowing those people who are interested in a little bit more methodological approach also to satisfy their curiosity and understand how everything works on a more scientific level. Wouldn't it be nice for all of us to actually fulfill our life purpose and to be put perfectly in our place within the society? Wouldn't it be great if every one of us knew exactly what we are good at, and everything would be very easy for us when we go into the place that was meant for us? Imagine yourself like a small little cog when you're put right in your rightful place in the mechanism, and everything works for you because you are in your place, you are doing exactly what you were made to do. A lot of people right now experience a lot of frustrations. Why? Because they are not in their place, because they don't know what their place is. A lot of people feel competitive towards others. We are told that we have to compete with everyone else for the same place, but that's actually not true, because we are not meant to take the same place. All of us are having very different combination of talents and skills, and there is a very perfect place for us, for every one of us out there, but not every place would be perfect for us. So I think we should completely revert the whole process of finding the best career and best job for all of us. It's not the way to tailor yourself to the job and to trade yourself into the job that you wish, because sometimes the jobs that we want are not very good for us, actually. We probably saw a successful relative, maybe a parent, maybe a sibling, maybe a spouse, a partner, and we think that this can also be success for us. But in reality, it turns out very often that people don't have necessary skills to succeed in that career that they are choosing for themselves, and they would be way more successful in something else. So wouldn't it be great to actually let go of all of those desires and burning wishes to be successful in something that is not meant for us? If you would like to explore this topic for yourself, I invite you for a free consultation call where I will be answering these questions specifically for your case. I will give you the guidance on how you can uncover more of your talents, more of your strengths, and put them in play in your own life. So you can find actually fulfillment, you can find meaning, and you can finally follow the life purpose in this life. So yeah, looking forward to connecting with you, and see you soon. Bye.